they say you can't live for tomorrow. Decisions are made today to be free and be happy. You must try and succeed to relieve all your boredom. That's not easy to achieve. So the next time you get weary and the road seems all that bad, just remember that it's your choice, the one you've always had. Keep the ship in the harbor to be sure to be safe. But ships are meant for sailing to last for the rain. Yes, when you feel you've always wanted to do the things you never could, lift your anchor up and cast off. Give yourself a shove. Keep the ship in the harbor to be sure to be safe. But ships are meant for sailing.